What's up, guys? Today I'm doing another video on, well, this is not another video, but it's just an unboxing video. So, if we turn down our camera a little bit, okay, you can see this is my keyboard, and this is what we're gonna be reviewing though. Let me move my keyboard. Okay, now, this is what we're reviewing. It is the GPBT keycaps from the, what do you call it? From Glorious. I always brain fart Glorious for some reason. Anyways, so this is what it is, and I'm gonna unbox every one of the tools. So basically, this is what came. Let's put this over here so you guys can see it. And then I'm gonna list out everything and put it on the desk. Okay, so next up we have two G-Lubes. We only ordered one, but we got two, so I'm giving one to my cousin. Let's just put it on top of the Glorious coiled cable. It is Glorious. It is the Nebula Glorious cable. There's the Nebula, and then it says Glorious coiled cable right here. And then this is the thing. I'll get opening it and reviewing it later. G-Lube is basically just oil, kind of like a oil thing. It's like a kind of like a wax a little bit, you know, to make things smoother. That's basically what it is, but for keyboards. And next up, this one's really small. We just have a Glorious lube brush. Next, we have some Glorious Panda switches. So, these are tactile Panda switches. I've opened one of the boxes and tested them out. They're very clean. And it's one box with 30 switches in there. Is that enough for a keyboard? Heck no. That's why we need two boxes. Oh no, that's also wrong. We need three boxes. Anyways, so that's my last box. So you need three boxes to do a TKL setup. At least I think so. Right? I think that's right. Should be about right. Anyways, Glorious Panda switches, very, very nice. I love them. Now, we got our final item. This is a Glorious wrist rest. It fits TKL, but Glorious, the keyboard they have, is not really a TKL. Okay, so, inside, well, I'll open it later, but let's start with the wrist rest. So let's take everything off first, so we have some space. The G-Lube! Where'd it go? Oh, found it! Oh, God. Okay, let's take these two. And we'll review them all one by one. So first, let's start off with our Glorious padded wrist rest. Fits TKL. Perfect. Okay, so let's go. Let's go ahead and open it, and you shall find this little thing here. Let's put the box on the side. And now, what we do next is you're gonna flip it over and then just open it here. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's very comfortable. Well, I haven't seen it yet, but I felt it before, and it's very, very comfortable. And if I was to type with this, let's see. Let me just remove this. This would be one of my, this would feel very nice, in my opinion. But that's not the keyboard I'm using this for. I'm waiting for the keyboard so I can build it. So, it's very soft. It's made of foam. It has an inside foam, and then the outside is just cloth. And it's very comfortable and squishy. Okay, so, put it back in its case so it looks brand new. I've opened this like multiple times, and the thing here is getting unsticky. Okay, wait, where's the box? Oh, okay. let's grab the box and put it back in. All right. Oh, one more piece. Okay, all back in. Very good. All right. Next item on the list is our glorious coiled cable. All right, so this is the wrong side, nebula color. This is where you can see. Here, let me just give you a really close look. It's glaring. Maybe if I turn on the light. There we go. Okay. Seems better a little bit. I think that's the best. No, actually, I think. Give me a second. I think this is best for the lighting. And I turn on this. Yes. Okay. So it's still kind of glary. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna do. Okay, sorry. Just skip like 20 seconds ahead. Just can just skip that part. So let's get to opening this. Okay. Now there's a tray in here. This thing. Then this is what it looks like. That feels very nice here. Feels nice. The inside is pink, the outside is blue, so it makes like a nebula color. So it kind of looks purpley. So this one you plug into your computer, right? This part goes into this part, like this. You can find the hole, it just fits in. But there's plastic on it, so it doesn't really go in. But it does that, and then once you have that, there is this one right here. This one plugs into the keyboard, and you plug this into your computer. Easy. All right. Now, so next we have our GPBT nebula colors right here. It starts kind of bluish, then purplish, then pink. Okay. So let's get ahead. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, let's just grab this tray. Now, I'm gonna open it up, and I'm just gonna take out the Ascend key and see how it feels. Okay. Slow. Okay. Oh, one of them came out. Two of them came out, actually. This one of them came out. Okie dokie. This is the glorious Ascend key. Feels so good. That is one of the smoothest keys I've ever felt. Let's go ahead and put that cover back on. Okay. Now, let's grab the box and let me just put it back. While you guys are waiting, you can go ahead and skip to the next part. Okay. If you stayed here, thank you. And this part is kind of getting... Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so we got it all back in the box. GPBT, you guys can pause and read this. Okay, on to the next item. We have our two G-lubes that we accidentally got, because we accidentally got two, I guess. Or maybe they sent it wrong, I don't know. But these are G-lubes. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna open the plastic on this. Let me grab a scissor knife thing. Just put this over here. Okay. So I just have this tiny little blade so I can just cut it off. Okay. Should be able to come off. There we go. Okay, so now that that's off, we have to get off the other one too. Ooh, that feels nice. Wait, is this the one with the plastic? Does it have another layer of plastic on it? I still feel plastic. No. I still feel plastic. Oh, that's the glorious thing. There's this sticker here too, so I have to remove that. Right here, see? I have to remove this sticker. There we go. Now it feels like there's nothing. Oh! Oh! Oh, God! Okay. Anyways, there's the lube. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, okay. Whoa. I'm just gonna, you know what? This is actually smarter. Just do this. Oh, I already got lube on it. Okay. Now that we have that, oh, what? Wait, how did I get lube on my, oh. Oh. Hi, lube. All right. Okay, I finally got it open. There was a giant piece of just grease. And it's kind of liquidy. It's kind of like moisturizer. It's kind of like lotion. It's kind of what it feels like. To me, at least. It kind of feels like moisturizer. Let's just put the cap back on it. Like so. Okay. Now that we're done, I'm not going to open the other one because that would be just a waste. Let's put the blade back where it belongs. Okay. Okay. Now, put these over here. Next up, let's see the lube brush. Okay. So, here it is. I've already opened this in a past video, but it failed because my phone died. And then, yeah, so that's why this is open. It's just really smooth plastic with a tiny brush on top to spread the lube everywhere. Pretty much what this brush is. Nothing too special about it. But it's pretty nice. Okay, now that we have this, just put it down there. And let's take a look at our glorious panda switches. Okay, so let's see which one I opened. It's this one. Okay, let's put these on the side over here. And let's go ahead and take a look at these panda switches. Okay, so as you guys can see, here are the panda switches. And now I'm not gonna fully take them out because last time I did that, it didn't go very well. So I'm just gonna open a small hole, enough for me to grab a switch. Okay, I got a switch. Now, I'm gonna put it really close to the mic, and I'm gonna move my mic here so you guys can see. Just a little bit. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it up there because you can't really see it, but well, ain't that the best tactile switch you've ever heard? My personal opinion, those switches are great. And yeah, although they are a bit pricey, They are $25 each box, so this is like $75. And that's it. That's all of the stuff for the keyboard. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and smash the like button. And without further ado, I'll catch you on the next one.